contain the spread of COVID-19 have had a ripple effect on Kenya's economy. From the hospitality industry, tours and travel, learning institutions, no industry has not been touched. Hence, what you see here behind me, people now trying other ways to eke out a living. Meet Jennifer Mwaura, a mother of 3. She is among tens of Kenyans who now park by the roadside at the Northern Bypass, one of Kenya's major highways, opens her car boot and sets up her mobile market. This has not always been her job.
Before I was with a cave fast food somewhere, but I see people, they don't want to come there because of this disease, but for now, we have to adopt all these things because we have no choice.
She has been here for 3 weeks now, selling fresh vegetables to those who drive through the busy highway. Next to her, Simon Maira. Until 2 months ago, Maira worked as a farm manager at a flower farm in Kenya. Kenya is the world's 3rd largest exporter of cut flowers, supplying nearly 40% of the total flower sales in the European Union. The pandemic grounded the industry and thousands of jobs, including Maira's.
I was working with a company in a horticulture farm that was exporting flowers, but because of the trend of businesses, people have been scaled down, and it happens that things cannot be as normal as they used to be. So that is the reason we are here waiting to see what next.
This, a family business, is now his fallback position, selling a tray of eggs for just about $3 a tray.
But because we have poultry and the hotels where we used to supply the eggs and the supermarkets, they are not really forthcoming the way they used to be. So we have opted that part of the production we have to bring it here for people to take from us.
Across the road, the smell of freshly cut onions wafts through the air as Boniface Mbogwa fries another order of a Spanish omelette. He then quickly delivers the order and is back at the cooker. His livelihood was among the first casualties of the pandemic.
I was working in an events company where we did the media work. We used to take videos, photography. We used to do a lot of media work and Skyping for events and things like those.
And then what happened? How come you're not there now?
The events are done. The events are closed down by the government since COVID-19 is here. But I hope the epidemic will end soon and we'll soon get back to our jobs.
Coronavirus safety measures have led to job losses and pay cuts across almost all sectors, making this not just a health crisis, but an economic crisis too. In Kenya, the National Bureau of Statistics indicates that 1/3 of Kenyans were unable to pay their April house rent. Even here, the traders are feeling the effects of these measures.
At least I can go home with bread for my son and daughter, and we are just trying to make it easier. It has been tough. The 2 months have been really tough for us as being providers for our families and things like those. So we are just doing our best to make sure, we provide for them regardless of the epidemic.
Business is there, but struggles. It's not forthcoming the way we expected it to be. But we are trusting that if the economy, as the president has already said, that it will open, and then people will start to flow.
Kenya imposed a nationwide dawn-to-dusk curfew in March, cancelled all public gatherings and closed learning institutions in a bid to contain the spread of the deadly virus. Back on the Northern Bypass, the determination to make ends meet continues. The coronavirus may have erased their day jobs, but not their will to dream again. Sarah Kimani, SABC News, Kenya.